In 1945, an entire fleet of U.S. Navy blimps was unexpectedly grounded not by enemy forces or mechanical failure, but by a flock of birds. This bizarre incident unfolded when a swarm of seagulls collided with the blimp's propellers, rendering the airships inoperable. The U.S. Navy, in the midst of World War II, relied on these blimps for crucial missions like anti-submarine patrols and convoy escort duties. Yet, in a moment of nature's unpredictable might, these majestic airships were brought to a halt by something as seemingly innocuous as birds. This unexpected avian encounter served as a stark reminder of how even the most advanced technology can be humbled by the natural world, leaving military strategists scratching their heads and scrambling for solutions. It's a surreal chapter in history that underscores the quirky and often unforeseen challenges faced during wartime.